In this video, we will explain how to correctly set the orientation of the solar panel used with the SP-401S lamp. Proper alignment of the panel ensures maximum charging efficiency and reliable operation of the lighting unit. Each solar panel includes a label indicating the correct orientation depending on the hemisphere of installation. For locations in the Northern Hemisphere, the panel should face south. For locations in the Southern Hemisphere, the panel should face north. Depending on the geographical location, the solar panel should be oriented toward the optimal sun path to maximize solar energy exposure. Follow the instruction provided on the label to ensure proper positioning. Correct solar panel orientation is essential to ensure maximum energy generation throughout the day. When the panel faces the optimal direction, sunlight strikes its surface at the best possible angle, allowing the system to achieve higher charging efficiency. Incorrect orientation, such as facing the panel away from the sun, reduces charging efficiency and shorten nighttime operation. After installation, verify that no nearby objects cast shadows on the panel during the day. Proper solar orientation ensure full battery charging and reliable dusk-to-dawn operation of the SP-401S lamps. The S4GA Solar Feasibility Study provides a detailed analysis of system performance for specific airfield location. It uses the PVGIS analytical system to evaluate solar energy availability throughout the year. Based on this data, S4GA determines the optimal azimuth and solar panel orientation. The study also verifies system autonomy under different light intensity and weather conditions. This ensures that solar airfield lighting operates efficiently in any environment. The feasibility study is available upon request from your S4GA representative. To perform this procedure, prepare a 4 mm hex bit and a screwdriver equipped with a bit adapter. Use the torque table shown on screen for the screws presented in this procedure. Apply the specified torque values during installation. Loosen the 3M8 screws located at the bottom of the frangible connector. This will allow you to rotate the solar panel or remove it from the base plate and position it in the desired direction. After aligning the solar panel to the required position, tighten the screws using a 4 mm hex key. Do not exceed the specified torque value. For additional information, refer to the SP-401S Lighting Unit Installation Manual.